Hey guys, welcome to Valaxy Technologies. My name is Shankar. In this video, I'm going to talk about my new project, that is DevOps Project Workshop. If you have already followed my previous project, that is Simple DevOps Project or DevOps Project on Udemy, then this course is going to be advanced for that one. Let's go and see the architecture of this new project and the topics what I'm going to cover as part of this course. If you see the tool set which we are going to use in this course is GitHub, Jenkins, Maven, Docker, SonarQube, JFrog Artifactory, Helm, Kubernetes, Prometheus, Grafana, Ansible, Terraform. And this CI/CD pipeline we are going to set it up on AWS. And if you see the project workflow, our source code is Java, which will be available on GitHub, and we will pull the code with help of Jenkins master server, and we are going to build it on the slave system with help of Maven. Next, we do SonarQube analysis. If everything good, then we are going to containerize the application. I mean to say, we are going to create a Docker image. This image will be stored in JFrog Artifactory. Once image is available in JFrog Artifactory, we are going to use Helm charts to deploy the application on Kubernetes cluster. Once it is deployed, we will monitor it with help of Prometheus and Grafana. And while setting up this infrastructure, majority of infrastructure is provisioned with Terraform, and any configurations are needed that will be done through Ansible. I'm sure that if you learn or if you do this complete CI/CD pipeline, it will be definitely helpful for your current DevOps role, or if you want to take up interviews on DevOps. And if you see the major topics what we cover in this program, that is set up Terraform, provision Jenkins master, build node and Ansible using Terraform, set up Ansible server, configure Jenkins master and build node using Ansible, create Jenkins pipeline job, create Jenkins file from scratch, create multi-branch pipeline, enable webhook on GitHub, configure SonarQube and Sonar Scanner, execute the Sonar analysis, define rules and gates of SonarQube, Sonar callback rules. Next, JFrog Artifactory setup, create Docker file, even creating a Ansible files, store Docker images on Artifactory, provision Kubernetes cluster using Terraform, create Kubernetes objects, deploy the Kubernetes objects using Helm, set up Prometheus and Grafana using Helm charts, and monitor Kubernetes cluster using Prometheus. These are the major concepts which we cover in this course. If you are interested to get a notification once this course is published, then you can fill out this registration form. I am going to give this link in the description of this video. You will get a notification once we published this course. And we are planning to release English version of this course by May 2023. I mean to say last week of May. Hope this course will be helpful to enhance your DevOps skill. Thank you so much and see you in another interesting video.